Hi, welcome to Value Train. This is Bill Bentley. This short narrated presentation will give you an idea of all the things that we do and how we can help you in your business. You can find all of this and more in more detail on the website. This presentation is divided into 4 parts: consulting, training topics, training methods, and customer types. First, I'll discuss our consulting practice. Not only do we teach most of this stuff, but we do it also. We prefer short-term projects where we solve a problem for you and then get the heck out of your hair. A rapidly increasing part of our business is statistical consulting. Whether you call it data analysis, statistics, data science, or something else, we're likely to be able to help. Our partners have experience with a wide variety of statistics software. Some of them only have one letter in their name. Very efficient. Data cleansing is required of almost all data analysis projects. Nobody likes to do it. We'll do it for you. You can learn a lot about your data and business by this seemingly mundane and dirty task. Data analysis takes lots of forms. All of them involve learning something useful for your business. We are good at it. Sometimes you want to know what causes what. We call those models and can make them for you. They are great for predictions. Data exploration is another thing we can do. It helps you find relations between things you might not have known about. That can be very profitable knowledge. A pile of numbers is hard to understand. What makes it easier is the proper use of display techniques. We can build the right displays for the right need. You are looking at a bubble chart. This is a simple way to see a relation between 3 or even 4 variables in one simple chart. Many groups do surveys to learn about their processes. Most people do them wrong. We can help you do them right. A good part of our business is process improvement. This is how we got started. Have a physical or administrative process that is inefficient or producing poor quality results? Our forte is finding those root causes and fixing them. It's not our job to run your company, so once we have helped you put these fixes in place, you need to keep them there. We can show you how to do that as well. Do you have a project that needs a computer simulation to show how improvements might affect it? Simulation has a steep learning curve. Rather than consume your own people's time on this, let us do your simulation project and they can watch and then do it themselves the next time much faster than they would have otherwise. Sometimes people try to do a project and it turns out to be a real mess, but the boss demands that it be finished anyway. This is a good time to bring in somebody new to rescue it. We can do that for you. One form of consulting is coaching. Have some newly minted graduates with almost no experience? They will be a lot more effective if they have a coach by their side or on call who has the experience they are lacking to guide them. Okay, on to training. We do lots of training. I'll show you what kind. We do Six Sigma training. We have white belt, green belt, black belt, and expanded green and black belt classes. You'll see all of these described in detail on the website and be able to sign up for them. We also do lean training. We only do lean green belt training as a standard class. It only takes 3 days and it will teach you the basics of what you need to know to get started on your lean journey. The balance of our lean training is customized as needed during a lean implementation. We have a project management professional exam prep class. This class is designed to prepare you to take PMI's PMP exam. It's a hard exam and you need 35 hours of project management training the year before you take it, which this class gives you. But more importantly, it trains you how to take and pass the exam. We can teach you how to use a variety of statistical software packages. Most of this is customized to your needs. Does it look like Greek to you? Well, some of it is, but we'll explain it. Our newest training courses are R and Python boot camps. These are each a series of Saturday classes. They are hard and fast-paced and require that you know a fair amount of statistics and a little bit of the language for the course you are in. We will show you how to use the language to perform advanced statistical techniques. We won't make you wear uniforms or yell in your face. We can deliver our training in a variety of different ways to suit your needs. I will explain them. We can train you the old-fashioned way in a classroom. We like this and you like this, but it's not always practical these days. Our students are much more engaged than the ones in this picture. These are from a different company. We can teach most of our classes live via webinar sessions. These are like a physical classroom, except we can't see each other. Well, we can if we turn on our video cameras. The best thing about these is there is no travel for either you or us, and scheduling can be a lot more flexible. We can train one person at a time. We call this personal tutoring. It's like it sounds. We tutor by email, phone, or live webinar session, depending on the topic and questions. There is no limit to the number of tutoring sessions we allow in a class. We can also take your training experience into the next century and deliver parts of some classes in a 3D virtual world where both the students and the instructors are avatars. Far out, huh? No, we are not all blue. Finally, we can do longer classes with a combination of all of these methods. Maybe do the first few days in person, do most of the other days live but virtually, do an exercise as avatars, and handle supplemental topics via personal tutoring. It kind of blows your mind, doesn't it? I'd like to describe what kind of customers we like to serve. You are probably one of these kinds if you were listening to this. If you don't fit into one of these categories, call us and we'll make one just for you. We do all of our consulting and much of our training in-house at companies. We can customize classes for your needs. This is a big part of our business, but you won't see these on our schedule since they are all private. From time to time, we schedule public enrollment classes in various cities. If we're doing one of these, you can find the schedule for them on our website. Classes are held if enough people sign up. If you want one in your city, just contact us and we'll show you how to do it. We train a lot of people one at a time. Some are in transition and need to know these topics for their next jobs. Others are working and want to build their skills. Still others are ordered by their boss to come. We can teach them one at a time and still provide expert one-on-one coaching when they need it. None of our classes are pre-recorded online. We believe that conceptually difficult material, like the topics we work with, need the personal involvement of an expert instructor. Remember that software boot camp picture you saw a little while ago? It was actually from my Army boot camp days. Did I mention that we are a certified veteran-owned small business? If you do any business with the government, this might be of use to you. Well, now you know a little bit about ValueTrain. Explore the site and you can see more about all of this. Then email or call us with your questions. And thanks for watching. This is Bill Bentley hoping to speak with you soon about one of these topics.